All praise is for Allah. In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the world, and peace and blessing upon his prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam, the head of all messenger, upon his family, all his companions. Respected dear audience, is the second festival of Muslim. It is celebrated on the 10th day of Dhul Hijjah, the 12th month of the Islamic lunar calendar. It is known as the festival of sacrifice. I want to ask one question, my audience. What is the Qurbani? What is a sacrifice? Sacrifice is splendid of deen, splendid of religions, splendid of Islam, and a big symbol of Islam. The meaning of sacrifice, Eidul Adha, is a time of deep spiritual reflection. It is commemorates the unwavering faith of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam and his son Prophet Ismail alayhi salatu wasalam. When Allah commanded Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam to sacrifice his beloved son, he did not hesitate to obey. Witnessing such absolute devotion, Allah replaced Ismail alayhi salatu wasalam with a lamb at very last moment. This incredible event teaches us about the beauty of submission, just and obedient of the divine. Importance of Qurbani. The companions asked the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "What is Qurbani?" He said, "This is the sunnah of your father, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam." The companion said, "What will we get in this?" He said, "A virtue for very hair of an animal. There is no dearer deed of children of Prophet Adam alayhi salam in the day of Qurbani than flowing the blood of an animal. Those who cannot afford to offer animal sacrifice will get the reward of sacrifice by not cutting or trimming their hair nail from the sighting for the moon of Dhul Hijjah till the day of the Eid." Lesson from the Qurbani. Total submission to Allah. Allah's order is superior to human intellect. Love of Allah makes human do superhuman things. Love of Allah bring out the best in people. A Muslim should be willing to sacrifice all she has for the pleasure of Allah. Sacrifice as a means of getting closer to Allah. Support of poor and needy. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video with your friends. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much.